Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, and today I'm tickled to be sharing with you 65 6th Avenue. This is the yellow house right here. I just want to point out this is a cul-de-sac right here. There's some beautiful properties in and around here, and at the end of the cul-de-sac is the Presidio, so just an immense amount of greenery and walking trails and such. Okay, let's go visit. So this is a little cottage at the end of the slow breezeway right here. So cute. This is brick lined yellow, and then you have this immense amount of greenery at the end. This is the front door, but let's first go out into the greenery because this is super nice. This is the deck that belongs to the unit, and then here we have a spiral staircase for the other tenants, and then this really nice green area for your enjoyment, sort of sitting benches, and again, lots of sun, trees. This is absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's go in. Okay, here we are, front door. Let's walk in, and we're greeted with a living room, flat screen TV. Again, this is fully furnished, shorter term tenancy. Couch, really comfortable couch, and then of course you're drawn to the outdoor area. All right, journeying around, we're again flat screen TV, closet space right there, nice bars seating on either side, beautiful kitchen, stainless appliances, beautiful countertops, lots of cabinetry. Let's look at the bed. Here we go. Top down, bottom up blinds, another closet for your clothes. And again, this is fully furnished, dishwasher, turning around, and it really does have everything you need for a temporary adobe. So a washer and dryer, and then there's a beautiful bathroom here, Carrara marble, and then tile backsplash, a nice big tub. All right, and then going back out. So if you're interested in this property, give us a call or see the links below on how to contact us. Lots of street parking in the area for if you have a car, and we look forward to hearing from you. All right, cheers, bye-bye.